time to get these eggs. Look at my girls. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Let's see what we got in here today. Nothing. Whoa, there they are. Jackpot. I usually get 13 a day from my Rhode Island Reds. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Nothing. I don't know why they all like to lay in 2. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it 13? No. One did not lay today. Oh well. They don't lay every day. It's always either 13 or 11 or 12. I see a guinea egg though. My babies. The mister is working on his tractor. Let's see what I see. Look at that. A guinea egg. I think I can get it through the fence. Jack, I know you ain't trying to get that guinea egg. Are you trying to get the guinea eggs, Jack? Y'all, this dog likes to hold my hand. Watch. Hold my hand? No? He does it when he's walking with me. He'll grab my hand and hold it. But yep, a guinea egg. We don't eat the guinea eggs, at least I don't. It's not really any difference in them. But we do put them up and we're going to hatch them. I'm going to put it in my egg bucket for now. Now I got to tend to my rabbits.